What's the meaning of chatty? Chatty. Chatty.
Chatty. Chatty. The term chatty typically refers to someone who enjoys talking a lot, especially about trivial or unimportant topics. A chatty person may be described as talkative or garrulous, and may have a tendency to dominate conversations. While some people find chatty individuals engaging and entertaining, others may feel overwhelmed or annoyed by their constant chatter. Overall, being chatty implies a social nature and a desire to connect with others through conversation, although it can also have negative connotations in certain contexts.